client's BMW 1 Series. So he sent me some photos and the car looks like in very bad condition because apparently the car was parked for 2 weeks and no wash was done, and there was a lot of bird dropping stains and tree saps and all kinds of contamination on the paint. So I'm heading to my client's place right now, and we shall see how the condition look like later. Yo, so we are here at my client's place, and we are looking at the car, and man, it's bad. So I'll show you the look. So you can see all the stains from parking under a tree for 2 weeks. Here, even here, there are some weird stains here on the doors, on the roof. This is fully stained up, and rain stains. So basically we have to remove all these stains, and of course the acid rain stains like this over here as well. So it is really bad. So I'm preparing the shampoo and filling up the bucket, and we will go straight to the washing, and then probably this will come out from the claying process, so we will see. Yo, so I've clayed this area, but some of the stains have not been removed. If you look closely here, this has been clayed, but it's not fully removed because the contamination has eat too deep in. And then, like this area, I have clayed lightly, so you can still see some contaminations on the top. But I've consulted the owner, and what we are going to do is we are going to repolish the entire surface, and then redo the coating on the car. So the next step now is to continue to clay until I can remove as much as possible, then do a polishing for the entire paint, then only we reapply the new coat. Oh, so I have finished claying the car, looks something like this. There are still lots of stains here and there. On the roof is a little bit more severe. On the roof. But generally, this is the best we can get it. Then the next step would be for the polishing to happen. But at the moment, I'm going to stop for lunch. Then I will come back and continue the polishing. Yo, what up? It's raining super heavily, but we still got to polish the car. So just to show you a quick demo, this area is not polished, this area is polished. So you can see all the contaminations that were on the surface is now gone, and on this surface you can see the contamination is still here. So I'm going to just continue to polish the car, and because it's raining it's a bit inconvenient to film, so I'm just going to put it in a corner and do a time. Damn, that was near. So I'm just going to do a time lapse of me polishing the car, then moving the car around, and then we see how it goes. Yo, so I have completed the detailing on the car. So what I can tell you guys about the paint is it's a miracle that I could restore it until this level. It's as close to factory standards as possible, but of course it's not perfect because there is 2 weeks of full exposure of acid rain and parking under the tree with birds dropping splatters and tree sap stains and all. So being able to be restored to this stage is considered a miracle. So I can't really show you guys how it looks like, but I think with the LED we can probably look at it. So if you remember, on the bonnet it looks like some Picasso painting, and most of the damages are gone. And if you look at what do you call that, the swirls on the paint, there's nothing left. So yeah, generally the condition of the paint is at its best state now, but I mean, like I said before, it's not perfect. So if you guys have any questions on detailing and stains and
how do I remove stains, you can comment in the comment section below, and I will try to help you understand uh, what kind of stain and what kind of staining problems you guys are having. So it's getting a bit late now, so I'm just going to end the vlog for today, but tomorrow we are having some more detailing. I think 2 cars are coming over. So yeah, so like, share and subscribe if you like what you're watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.